Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. You'll want to hold the power button, ignore the Google pop-up, and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment of holding it, you should see the NUBIA logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. This redirects us to the recovery mode. Here, using volume buttons, primarily volume down so you can scroll down, you want to select enter Fastboot mode and confirm it using your power button. And as you can see, we are now in Fastboot mode. Now in here we have a couple options just like the previous screen, and again we can navigate using volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm. And going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have enter recovery mode, which brings us to the previous page, reboot to bootloader, which I believe is also Fastboot mode, and then we have power off option. Anyway, I'm going to select the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.